Hello everyone, this is Sundar Firdaus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the type function in Python. The type function is used to check the data type of a variable. Now let's understand with the help of the code. Here I am storing 10 number inside the x variable. Now inside y variable I will store some decimal number, that is float data type. Now I will store some text, that is of string data type. Now I will store some boolean value is valid. Okay, here is true. So it is of boolean data type. To know the data type, I will use print function. Inside it, I will type function and will write the variable to know the data type of the value. So let me run this. I got int data type. Now I will repeat the same step for all the variables to know the data type of their values. Now let me clear the output. Okay, so here is the output. X store int data type, Y store float data type, name store string data type, and is valid store boolean data type. Now it is basic data type. Now we will see advanced data type. Now I will create a list and store value inside it. Okay, now I will create tuple. Okay, now I will create set. Now I will create dictionary. Now I want to know the data type of all the variables of advanced data type. So we'll write print function. Inside it, we'll write type function, then mention the name. Here we, and let me clear the output. Okay, so I got list. Now I will do the same step for all the variables. So I got the data type for my list, my tuple, my set, my dictionary. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.